brambles. You're going too fast for me.
Come on, Sorcerer, catch us!
Hey, slow down. You'll exhaust our villain.
This is your tower. It's evil.
Doesn't he ever get tired? I really should get back to studying.
Come on, we had a long journey today. Please, Mother said to try to exhaust him. Be brave, Sorcerer. Your fight is far from over.
Your mother's going to wonder where we are.
It's been a long road. You have the right to stretch your legs.
Yes.
Amicia!
Look at that.
A castle.
Let's go see! Yeah!
All right, then. Time to run. Hugo, you're gonna sweat like a hog.
I am sweating like a hog.
It's good for you. I like your new home.
It's a castle.
All right.
Lucas the Perfidious is invading my castle.
Yes! And I'm going to turn you into a beetle.
Amicia, he's too powerful. We have to hide.
Yes.
I'll count to 10. Then I'll come for you, King Hugo and...
Amicia the Amazon.
Of course. So go! Now!
Come, Amicia the Amazon. We have to find a good hiding place.
3,
I'll stand by your side, my king.
5, 6,
Quick, quick.
7, 8,
Don't forget to breathe, my king.
10.
Good. Let's keep an eye on him now.
Yes, he's coming, he's coming.
My patience... Ah! Goodness!
You got so scared.
Fair enough. Well, I'll get back to studying now.
Lucas.
Well, if I want to become an alchemist,
But you are an alchemist.
I'm still your mother's apprentice.
All right, go and study. We'll stay a little longer.
Right. Goodbye.
Come, let's see the rest of the castle.
As you wish, good king.
I'm glad Lucas stayed with us.
Me too. We wouldn't be here if not for him.
Oh, can I climb those rocks?
Of course. Just don't fall.
I never fall.
Yes, sure.
Yes. King Hugo patrols the ramparts of his great wall.
What can you see from up there?
My kingdom.
Is it prosperous?
It was, but then Lucas attacked.
Oh, yes. The infamous sorcerer.
Oh, a river. It's the sea.
Let's patrol there.
Whoa.
Very pretty. So,
This is where my kingdom stops.
that branch is your frontier.
Yes.
Why not?
Look out to Amicia the Amazon. Enemy ships coming. They're going to attack us.
Oh no! What do we do?
Stay at the frontier and sink them before they pass. Back to your post, Amicia. Behind the branch.
Got it! My mighty sling is yours!
Here comes the sorcerer's army.
I see them! We'll save your land, my king! One down!
Yes. Keep going. More ships are coming.
No foul magic will defile this kingdom!
Yes, the king applauds!
Let them come, I'll crush them! Many tried to invade us,
But we pushed them back!
because we are the House of Daroon!
Hello.
Oh, hello!
Hello.
I was passing by and I heard your sling.
Oh, it can be pretty loud, yes.
I wanted to ask you, can I play with you?
Yes, but who are you?
I'm Tona. I live nearby.
All right, we're Hugo and Amicia.
Can you shoot, Tona?
Of course I can.
Great! I'm the king and she's my captain and we're fighting in Sorcerer's army!
I'll fire the cannon then.
Now let's fight!
Wow, you're a friend.
Well done!
They won't pass, I tell you!
You're good.
But they keep coming!
And they'll keep sinking! Our defenses are too strong for them!
Soldier Tona, keep firing that cannon!
Yeah, we're kicking their asses.
They're evil asses!
Hey, calm down! You're starting to speak the devil's tongue!
It's war. There's no place for us.
All right, give them the coup de grace, Mona!
Here comes the cannonball.
Oh no, Hugo, take cover! All right, boys. You won. They surrendered.
Surrender accepted. I should go now. I'm late for work.
You work?
Yes, on my father's farm with my brothers.
Are you all right?
I must go. Bye.
Good luck, then.
Goodbye, Tona! She was nice.
Come along, my king. The war is over. Let's keep following this river.